What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a Shark Electric Power. A couple of tools that you will need. First off, it's not a bad idea to have a cold one. Getting this battery back in the casing, not that fun, but we'll get to it. First tool you'll need though is some sort of a razor blade or cutting tool. The reason you'll need one of those is because you got to make 8 cuts. There's 8 screws. So you've got to make 8 incisions on the grip tape. What you're going to want to do is where the screw is, just make a cross. You make 8 crosses. And after you do that, you should have gotten one of these tools when you ordered your board. And the end of it is an Allen wrench. It's the perfect size to fit into these little screws. If you don't have that tool, it's fine. It's just a regular Allen wrench tool. It's a 1/8 size. So, once you get those 8 cuts made, and you take the screws out, the battery will be sitting in there just like this. You flip it over, disconnect the 2 wires, and grab your new battery. Hook the wires up, flip it back in place, put the cover back on. I am not going to take my board apart to do all of that, because I'm not going to lie to you guys, getting the cover back on is not that much fun. Maybe it was because I had to connect this side of the battery with 2 wire nuts because they sent me the wrong connection piece. So yeah, not quite as efficient use of the space, but I made it work. So there it is. It's not too bad. Alright guys, now that we got the new battery installed, all we have to do is reprogram the remote to the new battery. So the way we do that, hold down the power button until the ring starts to blink. As you can see. Grab your remote. The top 2 buttons, hold them down simultaneously. The remote will vibrate, and we're ready to ride again. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and always honor your presence each and every day on this earth.